G'day guys, Calvin, Cartoon Company in New Zealand. I have some guys, and it's a question that's often asked about the alignment of the dots on the camshaft pulleys on the scissor gears on the non-VVTi engines. We've got old yellow here. I've got it on TDC at the bottom, and I've got the timing belt marks lined up on the belt, on the pulleys. We're going to whip these tappet covers off. We're going to have a bit of a look, and we're going to look at those scissor gears, the alignment and the dots on those scissor gears. I'm going to get these covers off. We'll get in, we'll have a look. He's not actually at work today. That is not a 6-cylinder powered Altezza. Yellow pen. Oh, come. Oh, there we go. Filled that one up. Oh, I'm not really showing. There we go. That's lined up. Going up here. There's our mark. You can see there's a tip dimple in there. Goes to there. Okay, if I got in, there's a dot there as well. And I could draw across the timing belt mark. I do normally use genuine belts, guys. I very rarely use aftermarket belts, but this is actually the belt that came on Old Yeller. That's how much love this one has not had. Okay, we're going over to the left side. You can see it's left because see there. Look, it's an L. Look, it's an R. So we line up here, like that. And there's a dimple here, right there. And a dimple in here. Oh, that was too much. Wipe it off. And if we do a dot across, like so. Okay. Scissor gears. There's a scissor gears. I'm going to need some light. I'm going to mark it in here. There's a dot here. And there's a dot there. Okay, single dot and a single dot. That is the right hand side. This is the left hand side. Dot there. And a dot there. I'm just trying to hit the dot. There it is there. Okay, guys. Dot, single dot to single dot. And a single dot to single dot. Zoom right in there, eh? Oh, fuzzy. That looks better, eh? There it is. Single dot to single dot. Be careful because out here there are two dots. Single dot to single dot. And let's find those other dots. No, let's find a torch. So there's two dots. We want it lined up on the single dot to single dot. And on the outside of the cams, there are the two dots. Same on this side, just for fun. There's two dots on the outside. Single dot to single dot. Double dots on the outside. That is when the cam pulley marks align and the crank pulley is on TDC. At the same time, there are marks on the ignition rotors which will also line up as well. Ignition rotor to there. Ignition rotor to there. There is a dimple inside. Guys get it wrong. Guys try to tell me that you can put it both ways. If you're assembling it correctly, you can't. If you're not assembling it correctly, you can put it either way and just smash it into the dimple, but that is the correct way. Correct timing. Correct timing. So I hope that's been helpful. Talk to you again soon. Catch you later.